Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be unboxing the new Traffic Secret book by Russel Brunson. So it's launched a few weeks back. I gotten it last week, but I didn't have time to open it up, and today I'll be opening up the book, the book in the box itself. So if you're new to this channel, my name is Ken, and I produce content about digital marketing, Facebook, entrepreneurship, and in public speaking. So if you like this kind of content, kindly subscribe to my channel to support this channel to help this channel grow. Okay, before I go to open up my box, I just want to tell you why I get Traffic Secrets. I read Dotcom Secrets and I read Expert Secrets. At first, I didn't really buy this Dotcom Secrets because it looked kind of shady. But then I managed to get it last 2 years and I read it and it's really good. And the moment I read it, I know that this is a must-have for all digital marketers. And so in fact, I got Expert Secrets first before I got this Dotcom Secrets. What I learned from Expert Secrets, you learn how to build tribe, etc., etc. So it's great. It's really great, and that's why when I see Russell's launching another book, Traffic Secrets, I know I have to get it because I know I can learn a lot. I can use it to help my customers and to help me on my own business as well. So without further ado, let me just go and show you what is inside the box for this mini unboxing video. Oh, my parcel from Clickfunnels. This is where do you see the Clickfunnels? Fulfillment Center, Clickfunnels. Let's open it up. Yoo, this was inside. Let's continue opening up. Wow, what a surprise. I didn't expect it to be this was inside. The Secret Trilogy, the start guide, and I think there's something here, coupon here. Test drive Clickfunnels for free. I already have Clickfunnels account. Let's see what else they have. Marketing secret app. Okay. Secret Trilogy and allow the secret workbook for free. Okay. I've gotten one only because I have the remaining two. And this is actually paperback. Right? It's paperback. I didn't expect to have a hard. This is a hard copy, a hardcover book. Looks pretty good. Can't wait to go through it. I am back. This is the book, Traffic Secrets. If you want to get it, you can get the link in the description box below. Just a little bit disclaimer, this is of course an affiliate link. And if you don't know what is affiliate, then it's even so you should get Dotcom Secrets. For it is a must know for digital marketers, right? In Dotcom Secrets, they talk about funnels, about building building like funnels that is good for your business, right? There's many about funnels. There's a brief talk about traffic, webinar, and things like that. There's a lot of all those script as well. So this is great. Expert Secrets, even better. If you're an expert, use this to further grow your business, to make sure that you are the only logical choice when you are selling your services and things like that. So this is great. It teaches you the psychology of it, what you need to do. Also, there's also script inside, which is you can use straight away, right? This is awesome. I have not read Traffic Secrets yet. I just opened it up a while ago. I'm looking forward to read it. I believe it will be very helpful for marketers like me, because let's just say that it will help my customers and also myself in getting more business. Because once you know how to build funnels, you definitely need to build your presence. And once you have this tool, you need traffic. You need to drive traffic into your business to further grow, right? And that's the reason why this tree is being ordered. I mean, it's being done in such a way. And that's the reason why I think that you should get it if you're a digital marketer. Not being salesy, it's just what I feel, because once I read this, I always have it nearby me because I can use some of the script that's written here. And that's why it's great, right? Looking forward to read these Traffic Secrets. And if you want it, feel free to order in the description link below. It's an affiliate link. And just a disclaimer, yeah, it's an affiliate link. So go ahead and do it. And yeah, that's all. That's all about my mini unboxing video. And if you like what I share, do subscribe, right? Subscribe to my channel, help this channel grow, because I have a lot of other content that I can show you to you all. And also feel free to like, comment, and yeah, hit me up in social media if there's anything you want to ask or anything that you want me to research and check about, right? So I see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.